now that I'm here and I'm in this little changing room, I gotta get into some scrub pants. I could wear it down, but I'm gonna wear scrub pants. Just need to find my size here. Nope. That's a little better. Friends, it's time to get started. We got our team together. We got Brady here, he's leading me in. We're gonna show you exactly what happens to me when I get all this radiance. Here we go. Here comes Nick right here. Say hi, Nick.
Hello.
All right, we're gonna set you up and you're gonna watch what's going on. Folks, this here is the machine that's gonna radiate me and make me glow. And I get to lay right here on this table. We got Nick, the master technician here. Who do we have here?
I'm Annie, I'm the student.
Annie, a student from Grand Valley, right?
Yes.
All right, and here's Brady. He's a bunch of good guys there, the Brady bunch of good guys.
Here we go. Well done.
That one seems short.
Good. Have a good one. Thank you.
And that, folks, is how it's done. Well, folks, I just finished up my radiation treatment for the day right over here, this building here. And I thought, gee, I'm out here, I might as well see if there's a geocache someplace close by. And sure enough, there's one right here. Let's check it out. Let's see if we can find this thing. Oh, that's a little funny. This is a 1.5 DT, and there's a hint. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but it's somewhere in here. And it says, do not go past the guardrail. Yeah, good advice. I'm having a hard time. Lots of traffic here. There's a lot of traffic here. It's making me hard to hear, and I'm having a hard time finding it because it's so loud. But let's give it one more try. Check this out right here. Oh, it's an Altoid tin. We're gonna open this up and see what's inside and sign the log. It's a good day to be radiated. Well, that was a fun little find. Now, we got it signed. Time to put it right back where we found it.
Come on, Bob Billy. What are you doing, buddy?
Bob Billy,
Don't be that geocacher.
don't be that geocacher.
Well, folks, I hope that taking you along today just shows you that it ain't much of anything and it don't hurt at all. I want to thank y'all for your prayers and support. We'll see you on the geocaching trail. Bye.